everyone, it's me Luthfia. Today we are going to learn about vocab tests. There are some types of vocab tests that can be applied in a classroom, starting from limited response, multiple choice completion, multiple choice paraphrase, and simple completion. We will discuss about the types of vocab tests one by one, but before that, we have to know what is the purpose of vocab test? So the purpose of vocab test is to measure the comprehension and production of words used in speaking or writing. Now let's start with the first type of vocab test, that is limited response. So limited response is usually used by the teacher to test vocabulary mastery of the student in the beginning level. In limited response, students are required to give a simple physical action, such as pointing something or giving verbal response like yes or no. Limited response can be done in two ways, individual testing and group testing. What's the difference? So in individual testing, the students are asked to do the teacher's instruction. For example, the teacher will say, close the door, and the students have to follow the teacher's instruction by closing the door. On the other hand, in group testing, the teacher can give each student a sketch or a picture, then the teacher will give a comment to the students. For example, the teacher will give this picture to the students, and then the teacher will ask the student, make a circle next to the tree. So the student have to draw a circle next to the tree. So that's the difference between individual testing and group testing. Response have some advantages and limitations. The advantages of limited response: first, it causes less stress than another test. Second, it can be scored easily and objectively. On the other hand, the limitations of limited response are: first, individual testing will require long time, double time in group testing. And the second, the picture or sketch may be ambiguous. That's about limited response. Now we will move to the second type of vocab test, that is multiple choice completion. So do you know what is multiple choice completion? Multiple choice completion is a test in which a sentence with a missing word is presented, and it is required the student to choose one of the items given to complete the sentence. As you can see in the screen, this is the example of multiple choice completion. So the students have to find the correct answer. See quickly, blah, 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 lunch. Drank, ate, slept, or drove. What do you think? What is the answer? You can drop the answer in the comment section below. Multiple choice completion also has advantages and limitations. The advantages of multiple choice completion include: it helps students to see the meaning of words by providing natural context, and scoring is easy and consistent. On the other hand, the limitation of multiple choice completion include: it is very difficult to prepare good sentence contexts that clearly show the meaning of the word being tested, and it is easy for the student to cheat by copying what others have circled. That is about multiple choice completion. Now we will move to the third types of vocab tests, that is multiple choice paraphrase. Multiple choice paraphrase has similar pattern to the multiple choice completion, but it is a little bit different. Do you know what is multiple choice paraphrase? So multiple choice paraphrase, it is a vocab test in which a sentence with one word underlined, and the student are asked to choose the word that has the similar meaning or the closest meaning to the word underlined or the underlined word. For example, as you can see on the screen, it is the example of multiple choice paraphrase. He was irate when he heard about the new plants. So the students have to find the similar meaning or the closest meaning of irate. Is it interested, surprised, angry, or sad? What do you think? What is the answer? You can give your answer in the comment section below. Multiple choice paraphrase has advantages and limitations. The advantages of multiple choice paraphrase include context preparation is rather easy, and scoring of multiple choice paraphrase is easy and consistent. On the other hand, the limitation of multiple choice paraphrase include it is difficult to find good synonyms and it is easy for the students to cheat. That's about multiple choice paraphrase. Now we will move to the last type of the vocab test. It's called simple completion. So what is simple completion? It is a vocab test in which the student have to write the word in the missing part which appears in the sentence. As you can see on the screen, it is the example of simple completion. She has a blah 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 dress, and the clue is beauty. So the student have to fill the missing word with the appropriate answer based on the clue. She has blah blah blah. She has a blah 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 dress, and the clue is beauty. What do you think? What is the answer? You can drop your answer in the comment section below. The same as previous type of vocabulary test, simple completion also has advantages and limitations. The advantages of simple completion include it reflects teaching approaches and it is generally faster and easier to construct than our item with distractors. On the other hand, the limitations of simple completion include fewer words can be tested in this way than with multiple choice, and there is some difficulty in avoiding ambiguous context. So that's about simple completion. There are some things or notes that the teachers should consider in preparing vocab tests. In creating multiple choice completion, multiple choice paraphrase, and simple completion, the teacher should consider some things. The first is vocabulary choice. The first thing the teacher needs to prepare is selecting vocabularies that will be tested. The second, context preparation. After selecting the vocab that will be tested, the teacher should get the right kind of sentence to put each word in. The third is structure preparation. But simple completion, no need to pay attention to structure preparation. So in structure means the teacher have to choose several wrong words to put in the right word with. And the last is instruction preparation. So, giving a test to the student, the teacher should make a clear and simple instruction to the students. So that's all about vocab test. If you have any comment or questions, you can write it in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Goodbye.